what's up everybody? In this workout, we're going to be doing 10 exercises to strengthen and support the shoulders using 2 hand weights. My name is Andrea and this is Pilates for the People. Woo! So for this workout, it's important to pick weights that are the right weight for you. My suggestion is going to be something between probably 3 pounds and 8 pounds. If something is too light, it's basically gonna feel like you're not getting a workout. If your weights are too heavy, you're most likely gonna feel it really uncomfortably up in your neck, okay? So I'd say err on the lighter side to start, and you will see that as you get stronger, you'll be able to increase the weight over time. The first exercise we're gonna do, I'll have you stand with your feet hip distance apart. That means you line them up with those pointy hip bones in the front here. Arms are hanging, weights in hands, and you're gonna simply start to swing the arms forward and back. Keep your knees soft, not locked, and begin to rotate your body, rotate through the rib cage with your swinging arms here. Be sure to turn your head with your body as you go from side to side to side. What this does is begin to mobilize the part of our spine called our thoracic spine, and it is very important for this part of the spine to be warmed up and ready whenever we go to use our arms and our shoulders. So let's go for 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Very nice. Walk your feet wider than your hips now. We're gonna go into a squat, and I'd like you to take one hand. You're gonna reach it down towards the opposite foot, and then I want you to reach it straight up towards diagonal. So we're gonna go down and up, and down and up. Good. Down and up. If you want to incorporate some breath with it, you're gonna inhale down, exhale up. Inhale down, exhale up. Make sure you're controlling the motion in both directions. Avoid using momentum, both as you lower and as you lift. We'll make this the last one, and then lower the arm down. So we do our squat, other hand to opposite foot. We're gonna come up, we're gonna go down. Of course, adding this squat here, we're incorporating the lower body. Let's add the breath. So we're gonna inhale down, exhale up, inhale down, exhale up, inhale down, exhale up. For 3, good, and 2, and 1 more to go. Good, and rest all the way down. Next exercise, feet come hip distance apart again, so line them up with those pointy hip bones. We're going to hinge at the hips. Knees soften, but they're not bending like a squat. Hinge, and we'll send our arms straight back behind us, and then come up. So it's a hinge at the hips, your bum goes back, and the arms go back. And up. Let's put it together. Hinge and press back, and up. Hinge and press back, and up. Exhale, hinge, inhale. Exhale, hinge and press. When the arms go back, roll the shoulders back in their sockets before you press the arms. What we want to avoid is something that looks like this, okay? So hinge and press. We're gonna do one more, hinge and press and hold. You can bend the knees a little more. We're gonna bend the elbows and straighten them. Bend the elbows and straighten them. Now this, of course, I know you feel it already, works your triceps. It also works the back of your shoulders. Good, so it's gonna work muscles around the rotator cuff, the muscles of the rotator cuff. It's also gonna work the posterior part of your deltoid. Good, we can try exhaling as we extend. Inhale to bend, exhale, extend. Inhale to bend. Extend. Go for 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Come all the way up. The next exercise, we're gonna flip our palms to face forward. Feet are again hip distance apart. I'd like you to send your arms forward and up, elbows are straight. Once your arms are level with your shoulder, go ahead and do a bicep curl, straighten at the elbows and lower down. So we're gonna send our arms up straight, bend at the elbows, straighten the arms and lower down. This exercise works the front part or the anterior part of our deltoid, and of course it works our biceps as well. Both your biceps and your triceps play an important role stabilizing your arm bone in the shoulder socket. Okay, so they're not just muscles that look good, but they actually provide a lot of strength for our shoulders and therefore our upper body. Let's go 4. Yeah. And 3. Good. And 2. And 1 to go. I'm definitely starting to feel this. Good, and come all the way down. The next one, similarly, now flip your palms out. This time we lift our arms wide to the sides, but again, we do the bicep curl when we're at the top. So open your arms and lower back down. You're gonna go out to the sides and up, bicep curl, open at the elbow and lower down with control. Try inhaling as you come up and curl, exhaling as you come down, inhaling to come up and curl, and exhaling to come down. So this time we are working the center part of the deltoid, the shoulder muscle, and of course we're again working the biceps. So we're gonna go out to the side, come on up, straighten the elbow and come down. Let's do 2 more. Try inhaling, come up and curl. Exhale, lower with control. Inhale, come on up and curl. And exhale, lower with control. The next one here is a bit of a strange position. We are going to make our arms shaped like a diamond, just like this. We're gonna reach them overhead. And from here, I want you to press the arms forward and up, and then bend the elbows back to that kind of like diamond shape. Press forward and up. So it's like we're pressing forward from our forehead as opposed to right overhead. This will get heavy pretty quickly. So you're gonna press. Let's try for 5 more. We'll go for 10. Press. And let's try again. Inhaling, exhale, bend. Inhale, press, exhale, bend. Inhale, press, and then 1 more. I think that's 10. Inhale, press, and bend. Oh my gosh, I feel that. Okay, now we're gonna take 1 weight. We're gonna cross it behind our back, so it's gonna be like here. And then you're gonna lead with the tip of your elbow. You're gonna bring it out, reach it on the diagonal. You're gonna bring it in and come back. So you're gonna come out and up, in and back. That's it. Come out and up, in and back. And again, we're gonna reach on the inhale, exhale, come back. Now, this exercise starts to pull in the muscles of our rotator cuff. We are creating rotation through our shoulder. Whenever we have rotation, we have rotator cuff muscles involved. So we're gonna inhale, come up, and exhale, come down. Let's do 1 more. Inhale up, and exhale back. Okay, if you compare your 2 sides, that arm will probably feel longer and maybe more relaxed. So we're gonna take the other arm behind and then reach it up on the diagonal. We're gonna go behind and up on the diagonal. Exhale here, big inhale, and exhale here. So it doesn't really matter how you're breathing. The reason why I'm cueing you to inhale as the arm goes up is because when we inhale, we recruit muscles that can support this motion, meaning that meaning that the same muscles used in inhalation are the ones that actually lift the arm. Some of them, few of them. Inhale to lift and exhale to lower. One more time, inhale to lift and exhale to lower. Beautiful. Next one, feet again hip distance apart. Arms go straight forward. We're gonna go right up overhead, and then we're gonna circle all the way out to the sides with control. So a big circle. We're gonna go forward and up, and then circle all the way around. Inhale, forward and up. Okay, as you're doing this exercise, avoid doing something like this. See how my body is moving away from its central spot? Focus on staying really still in your body. Avoid swaying forward or back as the arms circle. And I know that's easier said than done. We'll try 2 more. Forward and around. Inhale. Inhale here. Good, and exhale around. Almost done here. Feet stay where they are, hip distance. Soften the knees. Hinge forward at the hips, okay? Arms are gonna come forward in front of us, dangling down. Palms face in, eyes looking down. Arms go straight out to the side and down. Arms go straight out to the side and down. Inhale, exhale back. Inhale up. I'm actually going to change that. Let's try it on the exhale. I think it'll be easier. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. The reason why I chose the exhale here instead of the inhale on that exertion is because I thought we needed a little bit more activation through our transversus abdominis, which is our deep tummy muscles, to support our spine as we do this work. Okay, let's go 2 more. Exhale up, inhale down, and exhale up, and inhale down. That was 10. That went by really fast. Thanks so much for joining me. If you like this workout, you may also like this one here or this one over here. I'd love if you'd like this video, and of course, subscribing means that you get to know whenever I publish a new workout or a new video. So I hope to see you again.